In this episode, we continue to restore our steel exploration vessel while living aboard our trawler.
I was about to get showered.
Finish up the pilot house hardtop and fix a couple of things along the way. Mixed Russian dentist and American engineer with 30 years age difference who throw it all away for ocean exploration.
Sell everything, fix the old boat, and sail away.
Time for big guns.
This is definitely the nastiest job I've ever been doing. Never too late to see the world through our channel. Subscribe and share the adventure. In the last Boatyard episodes, we attacked the bottom of our steel Motorsailer, worked on crow's nest, took care of soft carrots, and showed you how we stay fit, living on the boat.
I'm Captain William.
And I'm Dr. Yana. Welcome back, Dawn Hunters, to the channel.
Happy 3-year anniversary.
Yay!
We met 3 years ago today.
Yes.
So, those of you who have been following us, I did bring flowers yesterday.
Yes, he did.
And she called it a man's bouquet because it had a mixture that I put together personally. I didn't know a bouquet had femininity and masculinity, but I do now.
Well, yes. It's a man bouquet.
We are back to Miami after a successful mission of moving an old friend's Durbeck to a new old friend's location. You guys got to watch that 3-part story. It was a lot of work, but effort well taken care of.
And thank you so much for all of you who wrote comments.
Supported us
Yes.
through this journey. A special thanks goes out to Jessica, his wife, Corbin, his son, his 2 young daughters, Kendall and Corey. Thank you for all the help and support, bringing us sandwiches, waters, and really being there for us in this. We appreciate it.
Soon this trawler will be on the market because we are back to the boatyard, ready to restore our Motorsailer in full gear and at least put it in the water. What's your agenda for this week?
This week, I'm going to push hard to get this pilot house hardtop finished. I will be using special woodworking tools and skills to convert a 50-year-old teak handrail into a border for the pilot house. And I'm going to teach you some woodworking skills.
Hey, does that mean that I can get new Dickie's outfit because I'm graduated from painting the boat to woodworking?
No, just keep doing it in the bikini like you do everything else.
Hey! I'm getting that outfit.
We'll take a vote. Who wants to see Yana doing woodworking skills in a Dickie's outfit or in a bikini?
Yeah, you guys vote. Dickie's outfit to protect myself or bikini. Oh, watch to the end because we are doing the Q&A session in the end of this video. Bottle trap. He and I keep leaving the bottles all over the boat. So he said that this is a bottle trap.
Water. Water.
Hey, it's mine. You said you're not hungry. The mast was rounded. You can see all the bad parts were scratched away. And then they cut the bottom, as William was talking in this video. I'm gonna paint it now. I just applied 6 coats of Rust Lock 6980. You can see that it looks pretty smooth in most of the areas. Done for the day. What are you doing, do it yourself?
Connecting our welder.
Everything electricity scares me.
We say that if electricity scares someone, it's a good thing.
Why is that?
It keeps them alive. You have to respect electricity, kind of like respecting a wife.
Hopefully he will be careful. Something probably happened with our water because I'm turning it on and it's not there. Down to the hole he goes. There's a lot of water in the bilge, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. Okay, could you turn it on?
It's on. Did you find the problem?
It might be out of water.
Yeah, but why? He says we are out of water. But why we are out of water? That's the question.
Could you turn the faucet on?
Yeah.
This is a broken line. That's why we have water down there. Could you hand me the pliers? Okay. Now try turning the water back on. Water running?
I think it is.
So shut it off a minute. Let the pressure build up. So what happens every time we would turn the water on, it was coming out of the sink, but it was also flowing out of this hole. If you want to work 24 hours a day,
Buy a boat.
get 2 boats. If you want to work 20 hours a day, get 1 boat. So it might be that the tank got out of water because it all ran into the bilge. So I tried turning the sink on now. I think we've got low water because it all went down the bilge.
There's a lot of water in the bilge.
So I'll put water in the tank. That's what's happened. One fun thing after another.
Yes. But the sunset is beautiful. Yeah. Hey, get out of here. You're gonna hurt yourself.
Steamy meat. Excellent. Great job.
Pressure cooker. The sunset is unbelievable today.
Squirrel.
We had to throw away a huge piece of steak. I prepared it perfectly and it was bad because I bought it on last Friday. It wasn't tasting right. So this is actually a solid kit. Wow.
After designing the pilot house rooftop, I'm using several different woodworking techniques to prepare the wood for integration into the top. If you have an interest in these techniques, make sure that you send us a comment and I'll answer those questions for you.
I would never be a woodworker. Everything is so slow. Why you don't have a freaking saw that can go like... William has been working on this pilot house hardtop forever. Actually, for a couple of months. So, I thought I'd show him some secret techniques to speed up his progress. Yeah, your method might be better. Unless you finish this. Take a glass of that. This is what I call a good job. Went together like a puzzle. What do you call a good job?
Shower time.
Shower time?
Shower. Smell like an old piece of wood with a very young face.
That's cool. That's a good compliment.
And I smell like an old piece of wood with an old face.
While William is cutting and grinding, I'm going to be opening this beast. We think we found a solution to the soft carrot saga from the previous video. Also, no more wasted meat.
Don't disappear and only arrive when it's to your convenience. So if the food isn't fresh after that thing, you're gonna hunt coconuts.
There is a possible stop in this production.
It's possible. Does it keep us going?
No, I made a lot of ginger so you can stop. I made nothing.
Good job.
It's getting hot.
Think all this work is easy?
Yes.
Clearly. Good job.
Yana plus W means love.
Good job. Another tool mastered.
Look how pretty it is. Ooh, getting fancy.
I was about to get showered.
The last time William showered, it didn't go down, so it was sitting there. It smells horrible. Who knows what lurks inside those musty waters. William just found what was blocking the hole. His favorite sea sponge was in there.
People know when they hear truth and when they hear lies. Naturally, the new sink faucet and sprayer that I purchased is just like everything else. Great for the home use. For the boat use, multiple adapters.
Oh, really?
House uses copper but not a flare fitting. And they don't make an adapter, so we had to modify one. And then the height of the faucet is lower than what it needs to be, so I cut a stainless steel piece of pipe, made an adapter, and now raised it to a much usable height. Hold it so it's in the center of this piece. Small drip right there.
Ooh, that's fancy.
Everything that I had to have on the boat to do the plumbing work was not here. Another mission accomplished.
I'm sure you did the best job possible.
Fix one thing, prepare for the next. We will take our rewards later. Plumbers today on a boat charge a lot.
Yes.
Yes, more than you can imagine.
I'm afraid this poor housewife will not be able to come up with the proper payment. How about the payment plan?
It is a payment plan. So after a month of throwing food away and trying everything possible, we ordered a vacuum sealer and lived happily ever after.
I'm not feeling very well today, so what? William is in the kitchen and I'm afraid to look even there. He's gonna make a huge mess in there, and then I'll have to clean it tomorrow when I feel better. Today is a William's cooking bubble. We'll see what he's gonna bubble in there. So how's that bubble going on?
We're organizing.
Don't organize in my kitchen. Cook if you want to, but no organizing. Well, that was a lot of work this week.
Yeah, I'm not sure whether it was more difficult getting that 50-year-old piece of teak to bend properly or to get Yana to wear proper safety gear. I figured that the teak was a lot easier.
Well, some things broke along the way on the trawler, but that happens all the time. That's a thing about owning the boat, but we still got a lot accomplished. So now, let's go back to the Q&A as promised.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, got the phone with a question. So, the question is from non-applicable. By the way, what's your name? Is it possible to rig a full mast on this kind of trawler setup?
Ooh, I get that question all the time.
Oh, wait, let me clarify. Basically, non-applicable is asking about the Durbeck trawler from the Tribute series. In one of the episodes, Randy mentioned that he wants to put a mast on this trawler. And I never told you that, but I actually was curious enough to post in the Facebook group, Sailing and Cruising or something like that, this question: what do you guys think of putting a mast on a trawler? Oh my god, guys, you cannot imagine, I got blasted. So, what do you think of it?
All right.
Apparently it's a very controversial topic.
It's a topic that very few people really have the facts about, and I spent a lot of time researching, talking to industry experts. We even consulted with Seaton, who designed the Durbeck, because some of these Durbecks were made with a sail plan, some were not. Our DeVry is a Motorsailer. There were hundreds and hundreds of hours spent by naval architects in creating a sail plan for the steel 45-ton Motorsailer. So I'm not going to go into all the details. I think I'm going to do a special segment on that because I get so many questions. So I'll just cover over the surface. Is absolutely a sail plan can be added to a trawler based on its hull design. That's the key, is what type of hull does it have? Where is its center line of gravity? And remember that in a Motorsailer, the word is Motorsailer. You motor and you sail together. The sail plan is to provide stability and to provide an emergency get home, I guess, type of propulsion. Does it sail alone? Our boat will do 3 or 4 knots in the correct kind of wind and conditions, but it's not designed for that. So to answer that question, yes, the Durbeck that we have rescued was and did have a sail plan. We will design and put a sail and a mast and a correct design on that trawler based on its hull. And if you have any other questions regarding this, by all means, shoot them over to us, because you'll be able to watch this Durbeck as it evolves from its current condition to the photo that you're going to see, which is a rendition of what we hope the boat to look like after we have that mast and sail plan added.
I hope that answers your question, non-applicable. That answers my question.
We have something else to celebrate besides our 3-year anniversary. We have our first patron.
Oh my god, thank you so much, Kelly, for your support. That was a big surprise for us.
What we will do is, as our Patreon base grows, we're going to start releasing special content, some bloopers, and some other little things that are specific just for Patreons.
Yes, we're also gonna do a private group chat, but that's for future. Thank you again, Kelly, and we are signing off. Bye, guys.
COVID
Hey!
is over.
Thumbs up!
Like, subscribe.
Share.